most of the cars here are electric?
No.
Oh.
30%?
Wow. Wala yan. Diyan nag-stay sila dito, Manix. Nagpunta sila dito. Oo, hotel yan. May swimming pool yan sa taas. What is that?
This one is Garden by the Bay. This one, right? This one is a foyer.
Oh, wow. Ito na yun.
So you go up the hill, you can walk around.
Andito na kami sa Resorts World. Pero hindi kami dyan pupunta. Dito na ata yung Universal. Saan yung entrance? Sana konti lang yung pila. Ayun. Init. Pero hindi masyado. Nabook ko to through Agoda. Mas mura para sa Agoda, no? Kesa sa Klook. Lagi ako sa Klook nagbubuk eh. Tapos ngayon sa Agoda na. Kasi kinompare ko yung price. Akala ko mas mura sa Klook. Mas mura pa pala sa Agoda. Last stop. Bago kami umuwi tomorrow. Na-picture lang tayo dito sa Universal. Init. Ay, naku, hindi ako nagdala ng sombrero. Ang daming people. Pa-picture tayo. Init, so papasok na kami. Tapos na kami mag-picture dito sa Globe. Man. Universal Chuchu. Okay, so saan na yung Agoda booking? Universal Studios Singapore. Papakita ko yung QR from Agoda. We're inside. Check natin sa app kung ano yung Universal na app. Kung ang magandang ride. Mamaya na tayo mag-picture. Punta muna kami dito sa Minion Land. First ride. Groot. Groot? Si Groot. Ba't si Groot? Ganyan lang. Ang ba ng pila dito? Right. Ito. Dito tayo mag-ride. Oh my gosh, 70 minutes. Hello. Where's the line? Here? Saan yung line? Right or left? Banana. Tagal nito, 70 minutes ride. Ay, yung ride yung waiting time.
Do I want to work side by side
What the?
and clean this house? In this laundry, making sure to separate whites
Tayo.
from color.
Chop slowly and carefully to ensure maximum quality. B. Hire a professional painter to come in and do it perfectly. Or C.
I think
Download instructions from
malapit
the
na ba?
internet
Ay,
to make sure you're doing the best job you can.
Parang ang layo pa.
Trick question. The correct answer is D.
Buti na lang
Never
dinala
give
ko
up.
ng electric fan.
A real minion would invite his favorite friends over and have a crazy painting party. Oh, and use bombs.
Malapit na tayo. Two? Four. Thank you. Oh, number. Wow.
Testing. Greetings, recruits. Welcome to my home. I am Crow, Master Villain, Scourge of Humanity. You want to be a minion? Your training will begin soon, but be warned, danger lurks at every turn.
Okay, let's go.
Keep me in the minionization prep room so we can all get stuck. Please stay in your row and move forward, filling in all the available. And a few major snacks. Although I kind of like that guy. And that guy. Oh, I love that guy. That guy really knows how to party. Don't worry, we have finally worked out all of the kinks. As far as you know. And now, you too can become a minion. Wow, look at that! I know, right? It's pretty spectacular. This one.
Next ride dito sa Transformers. 70 minutes waiting. Six p.m. April to Thursday. Maiksi na lang yung ano eh. I think madami kami mga sasakyan ngayon. Kasi Thursday, weekday. Saka ito yung mga waiting time. Kunti lang naman yung rides dito eh. Unavailable. Itong Jurassic, unavailable. Ito, ayoko niyan. Ayoko din yan. Itong Boogie-Boogie, ano pala to? Ano to? May kabayo na iikot. Carousel. Ay, ito gusto ko. Ito, sasakyan natin yan. Ito, nasakyan na namin. Ayoko niyan. Pwede to, Enchanted Airway. So, 35 minutes lang. Ito din. So, itong lights, camera, action. Potion. Ito, Revenge of the Mummy. Ito yung the best. So, certainly yan. Huwag na yan. Pero sorry, huwag na yan. Pambata yan. Tapos, ito ngayon. Transformers. Dito kami ngayon. So, Transformers. 70 minutes. Diba? Tagal. Yun lang. Tapos, siguro later, meet and greet na lang. Dito yan makikita lahat sa app.
And Earth's annihilation. So, as we say, a mind map.
And prove I am not at all.
Protect you. They were defeated on our world, and we will defeat them here.
The Megatron of insulting humor.
All he wants is that Allspark, so he can turn every gizmo and gadget on Earth into a lethal...
Until everyone in your row is seated, stay clear of EVAC's door when it is in motion. Everyone should have a pair of protective eyewear. Wait until you are seated before putting them on. Keep hands and arms inside your vehicle at all times. Hold on to the lap restraint.
Finally, we're next. Ito 3D. Maybe, oh. Ay, agad ka. Oh, dala-dalawa tuloy. Sakay na tayo. Bawal daw camera. So, mamaya na lang. Next na tayo. We're done. Dito naman tayo sa lights, camera, action. Sila ano? Sino ba yan? Sesame. Sesame Street. Ang haba ng pila. Go here. 15 minutes lang. Ito naman tayo sa chill lang. We're here sa Minions. Ito yung in-order ko. Tsaka itong Minion Tots for merienda. Ang ganda ng restaurant. Pinapakuha ko na kay Janaya. All mo i-claim yung order na. That's our order. Wow! Tater tots and the curry. Ang baby, masarap. Ang gulo ko lang sa ito. We can, ano dyan. And books. Ano yan? What's that? Waffle. Pwede tayo dun dumaan, no? Ay, wala na bang daan? Close ata yan. Ah, we are close. Dito. Okay. Ano to? Donkey Live. Ito, mukhang masarap. Waffle.
You're not allowed to be here, okay? Because the trailer is gonna be parked over this side. Okay, very nice. Easy there, Blue. Okay. Okay, so now how about you say goodbye to Blue, baby Blue, and everybody, let's give a round of applause to this beautiful dinosaur. Goodbye. Oh, chilling with that. You guys want to get closer? You can, but not too close. This is a very good distance already, okay? Wow, hello everybody. Welcome to Jurassic World. Nice to see you all today. Now, my name is Kai. I'm the Raptor Handler, also known as the Raptor Nanny. Okay, and I take care of all the baby dinosaurs at Jurassic World. Sini mama foto. Her name is Baby Kid.
Monster cookie. Lambot. Ito. $10, $8. Dito lang ako. Ang sarap. Popcorn naman. Yeah. Here sa Boogie Boogie. Nakapila dito si Janaya. Doon. Wala dyan. Gusto niya ice cream. Let's go. We're done. Tapos na kami. It's 6:51. Ay, nakapagod. But, sulit naman. Pala, bumili ako ng pamaypay kanina pa eh. Wala na. Punta na tayo sa accommodation para mag-check-in. 3 PM yung check-in nila eh. Anong oras na? Sana yung luggage namin nandun pa. Si Janaya naman madali na. Pagod na yan. So, I think I will see you tomorrow. Diyan sa airport. Bye. Okay, pati dito, hanggang dito Minion. Ay, aalis na siya. We're late. Free lang daw to. While waiting sa boarding, mag-order muna ako dito ng food for take away. 1773. 1773 for ito yung order ko, yung signature. Ito na yung food na tinake out ko. Kakainin lang namin sa plain. May soup tsaka dry. Tapos bumili din ako ng Irving's. Ito, malalaki. Are you done na, Janaya? Sige na nga natin ito. PM ang boarding. So, just waiting. Boarding na. Going home.